Hey, what's happening everyone? Indy Mann here. Those who don't know me, watching my channel for the first time, a property developer, property investor. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Rather than making a video just about a property, I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to keep you with me for the rest of my day. I'm going to show you exactly what I do during the day. I will add some of my daily routines. Obviously some routines are going to be different every day, but my first routine, what I do is health is wealth. I've always said that. So first thing I do is I go to the gym every morning for at least an hour. So I'll take you to the gym. I'm not driving at the moment, just sitting on my driveway at my house. So yeah, let me take you with me to my gym and I'll show you. Make sure you watch this video right to the end. It's going to be very interesting and you're going to enjoy. Up at the gym now. I'm going to my gym. I'll show you what my gym's like inside. So here I am at my gym. Lovely ladies serving us. It's for me. It's for my YouTube. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so walking into the gym now. Just checked in. So let's go and do some workout. As I said earlier, remember health is wealth. So follow my workout with me. Come on, man. On me. On me. Come on. Hey, gym's done. So here we are. We just finished the gym and I'm back in my car now and I'm gonna take you on my next journey where I'm going today, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do next, and then once what I've done, then I will take you to the properties. Like I said, keep watching the video till the end. You're gonna enjoy this. It's gonna be interesting. So here we are on I brought you to Soho Road with me now. My next task. I've come to Soho Road to get some sugarcane juice. Sugarcane juice is very good for you. I have about a glass every day. It is full of sugar, so be careful. Only drink it for about 15 days non-stop. It's really good for your liver, your kidneys. I know this is a property video, so I'm not a doctor but it is one of my routines, what I do. So yeah, I'm here. Let me show you Soho Road and I'll show you how they get the juice out of the sugarcane, and then I'll take you to my next journey. Sugarcane juice from every time. There's a machine. So here I show you the making of the sugarcane juice, freshly made for you here on Soho Road. and this is where I come and buy from every time. So they use fresh sugarcane, which is imported from Africa. This is the sugarcane. You can see the size of the sugarcane as well. It's juicy, thick. Yeah, so this is Soho Road. This is the shop on Soho Road. They do loads of other things as well. But yeah, I always come to get my sugarcane juice from here, and I will take you on my next leg of my journey. After I got my juice, I'll show you the making here. Is that mint, Paji?
Mint and ginger.
Ginger as well. Okay, so they add mint and ginger in there as well, which will add to the flavor, and it's very good for you as well. Like I said earlier, sugarcane is very good for your kidneys, for your liver. If you want to clean your liver, you can have it for 15 days, empty stomach, and it will clean your liver, make it brand new. Okay, so this is a setting inside. Anyways, traditional Indian style setting. Soho Road is the heart of Birmingham, I would say. That's Soho Road for you. But yeah, this is where I am. I'm moving on to my next step on my journey, and I will keep you posted. So got my sugarcane juice, and after that couldn't film me. I had a meeting with a couple of investors, which lasted just under half an hour, not a long one, and yeah, it's looked well. Everything's going well, and now I'm going to take you to my project now, and I'm going to go and check on the builders. I'm going to make a few payments, and I'm going to pay for the new kitchen in the place, and yeah, let me take you to my next destination, where we are converting a not converting, sorry, refurbing a 3-bedroom bungalow to a very, very, very high standard, which you will see when we're finished with it. So okay, let's go, and then I'll keep taking you along to my destinations during the day. Hey, I don't know if you can see me properly. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. I've come to my kitchen people now, my kitchen suppliers. I'll show you. There you go. I'm going in there for a meeting. I've already chosen a design. We're just going to look at a few more, and I'll show you inside. Okay, out of the meeting, and hope you like the stuff what they got in there as well. Brilliant service, Disology. I'll always recommend them to anyone, you know, for domestic or, you know, for business use. They're perfect. The service is great as well. But now let me take you to my next station, and I'll see you there. So here we are. I'm at the property in Wolverhampton, West Midlands, checking up on the builders, what they're doing and how far they've gone. I'll take you inside and show you. We've actually started dabbing the plasterboards on now, so it's taking a bit of a shape now. Let me take you inside and show you. This is the outside of the property. This is a tree we're trying to save. We've got to save the palm tree, right? Okay, let's take you inside. Before I take you inside, let me show you something. Show you how quiet this neighborhood is, how peaceful it is here, and why I have chosen this neighborhood to buy the property here, because it's so calm, it's so peaceful here. Anybody would love to live here, you know. Excuse the mess. We're just trying to get it all into from there into that skip there. Okay, but anyway, let me take you inside. The builders are here today, they're getting on with their work. I'm not going to disturb them. Like I said, we have started dabbing the plasterboards on now. Let me give you a little idea what's going to be what now. So let me go reverse back a little bit, go back a bit. So if you remember from my last video, there was another door inside here after the front door. We've removed that. We want to make it all open space, so as you walk in, you walk into the hall, and from the hall you straight, there was a wall here, and we've removed that wall now. You walk into a open plan kitchen. The kitchen's gonna be there, and a dining area. This staircase is gonna go from here. This staircase will actually be starting from here. So as you walk in through the property, you're onto the staircase, and it will go up in a U shape into the bedroom. Okay, it'll make more space. All this wasted space here, we'll use this, and then underneath the staircase we're gonna have a nice storage area as well. So that's this is gonna be our kitchen. So as you can see now, once we remove this wall, it's a massive area now. It's really big. It's gonna be a grand kitchen and a dining area. And so from the kitchen and dining area, there's a bedroom. So this bedroom, if you remember, it was up to there. That was the bathroom. This is the bathroom there. But we're gonna take this much space from the bathroom, because the bathroom is quite big anyway. We're taking this space, so this bedroom will be much bigger now. Whereas before you walked into the bedroom, it seemed like you're walking right into the wall, but now you can actually walk into the bedroom, so which is a good thing. So anyway, excuse my builders talking at the back, but now this is the back bedroom. It's a bit dark here because we've covered the windows due to few reasons, because we took the lean-to off from the back. So it's a little bit dark and dingy, but it's not. Once those doors are moved away from the windows, it's quite bright in this bedroom. But anyway, look, the plasterboards are gone up now, which I am pretty happy with. They're obviously still the building stage yet, so you know, but what you can see is now the room started taking a bit of a shape, and now the builders at the moment, they're working on in the front room. I'm not going to disturb them too much. I'll just show you from the outside. They're working in there, and that's what's going on there anyway. Okay, so that's where we are. So best way to project manage is if you are there yourself, watching what's going on, watching what's happening, and not leaving it till the last minute when everything's done, then coming in and saying, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that. So project manage with all honesty, it'll take you far. Okay, so this is part of my day. I'm on this site now for another maybe couple of hours, talking to them, working with them, not working physically, but how we can work, what else we can do, how we can improve, and discussing the plans for past coming days as well. Okay, and then I've got a few more appointments left yet, so I will take you with me. In the meantime, stay good. Hey everyone, on my next appointment now. Just come to check and meet a contractor here at one of our properties in West Bromwich area. And a quick look before the contractors are here. Obviously it's a jungle right now. The planning application has gone through. Wow, we got some cobwebs flying around. Letters, I always come and pick them up, so I'm going to pick them up now. So yeah, this is our property. I'm meeting some contractors. So this is my second last appointment of the day. So we've had a very busy day today, which is normally every day nearly. So yeah, here I am. Tell me your thoughts about that garden, what I can do to it. Okay, and after this meeting I got another one. I will take you along to that one as well with me. Hey, yes, on my last appointment now, I'm going to view this 4-bedroom house which is listed for just close to £375,000, and I'm going to view it for one of our investors. We're sourcing a property, looking for a property in this area, quite sought after area anyway. So I'm going to view the property from inside, and I will take you with me now on my last appointment. Let's go. So this is a property from outside. Nice. Let's go and view inside. Right, okay. Hey, so there you go. That's my day done for today. Hope you've enjoyed what I do during the day like I do. Property is my passion. I'm property every day, day in, day out, 365 days a year. But yeah, that was my day, typical day. Lots of appointments, lot of people to meet. That's why property is a people's trade basically, and you gotta be a people's person in order to be successful in property. So yeah, all the best to everybody in the future, and I'll be taking a leave now, and until next time, God bless you all and keep working hard, and like and subscribe the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, sorry. Remember, no script here. So yeah, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, if you like my content. God bless you all.